Hey guys, you wonder how I've been having these epic cheat days and I've still been able to maintain my current physique, sometimes even losing weight while having these cheat days? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that using a calorie balance. So let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to the Fit Life Over 40 channel. I am Roosevelt, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your macros using a calorie balance. You can do this whether you're bulking or cutting. I've been doing it over the last couple months during my end of my cutting phase into my reverse diet phase, and it has allowed me to have 1 day per week where I can pretty much eat whatever it is I want and still maintain my body weight, still be able to maintain my current physique. I'll throw a few pictures on the screen right here of what I'm currently looking like. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's not complicated whatsoever, but it does take a little bit of work. So follow me and let's get into it. Now you're probably wondering, this guy has probably lost. Why does he have a chalkboard here? Well, I've taken the liberty to write some things down that will maybe hopefully help you to understand it a little better if it's visually done. So let's do this. The board. Now, I'm no handwriting scholar, I can admit that. So it's not about what I wrote. Just listen to what I'm saying, okay? Pretty simple. Now, this is an example that I wrote out. Obviously, it's not my macros, it's just an example. So if you look at it, now I'm going to explain to you how this works. Well, there's 7 days in a week, right? So let's say you have 3,000 calories that you take in every single day. 7 times 3 is 21,000 calories. 21,000 calories, let's say, is your maintenance calories. That is the amount of calories that you need every day, every week to maintain your current body weight. Now, let's say you want to have a cheat day and you're feeling pretty hungry. You have some cravings and you're going to get that taken care of. And I'm all for that. Absolutely. I encourage refeed days as long as you do them responsibly or follow a calorie balance. So let's say a day you decided that you were going to eat pretty good and you took in 5,000 calories that day. So Monday you had 3,000, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday came, you said, I'm going to splurge, and you tracked a 5,000 calorie day. Sunday you went back to your regular diet. But on Sunday, it's no longer 3,000 calories because you spent some of your calories, i.e. money in the bank, towards the day before because you ate 5,000 calories. So in order to remain your same body size, you need to subtract 2,000 calories over the next 6 days in order to stay your same body size and still hit the 21,000 calorie goal at the end of the week. Now, our bodies and our body weight changes every day, from sodium, water, depending on what we ate, how much sleep we got, and whatever else. So weight loss is not linear. Weight gain is not linear. It's something that happens over a period of time. So by following a calorie balance, that Saturday you took in 5,000 calories. You need to make up for the extra 2,000 calories that you spent. So for the next 6 days, you can only eat 2,666 calories for the next 6 days in order to reach your 21,000 calorie weekly goal. What you do is you figure out your maintenance calories, take weekly maintenance calories, divide them by 7, and it gives you a daily caloric intake. And then you just simply subtract the amount of calories that you had on your cheat day. In this case, it was an extra 2,000 calories. So by consuming 2,666 calories over the next 6 days, you reach your 21,000 calorie goal, and voila, you remain your same body size, and you could do this every week for the rest of your life and be able to have one day that you wanted every week. Now, obviously, if you ate more than 5,000 calories, if you ate 8,000 or 10,000 or whatever the number is, you have to subtract the overage off of the next 6 days in order to hit that 21,000 calorie goal, or whatever your weekly calorie goal is. It's just that simple. I don't know of any easier way to explain this. I hope it could help you, or at least start a new relationship with food and understand that you don't have to live in a box. You don't have to eat chicken breasts and broccoli every day to live this lifestyle. It's okay to have some variety. It takes a little bit of extra work, but it's worth it. In my case, to have those donuts that I'll be having again next Saturday. My cheat day was yesterday. I filmed it. It was epic. I have to edit that video, so that's coming soon, and that is going to be the video for today, guys. I hope that I was able to explain this in the most simple way possible. If there's anything that you don't understand, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. You can follow me on Instagram at Harley Davidson or Nothing. You can check out my podcast. It's available on Apple and Spotify and many other podcasting platforms, and the name of that is Fit Life Over 40. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos. Please consider liking, sharing, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video.